yes, a waist trainer can help you to lose weight, but it is not primarily built for weight loss. So it can help you lose weight by allowing it to control your portion size. There are a lot of people that put on a waist trainer, that they train consistently and they don't lose weight because they are not wearing their waist trainer in a way that it would help them to lose weight. It would help them to reduce their portion size. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is that a corset is not primarily built for weight loss, but it can help you lose weight. You can use it as a tool for weight loss. And how do you do that? If you want to lose weight and you specifically express that that's what you want, you are you are on a weight loss and you want to be training at the same time, I would advise, before you eat in the morning, put on your corset. Your corset is going to help reduce, for starters, your tummy is going to be smaller, so you feel like you're full. Even when you drink water, you feel fuller faster. And then it also helps you to reduce your portion size. Even when you have to eat, you can't eat as much as you would eat when your corset is not on. You won't be able to accommodate it. You will be uncomfortable. So it just automatically trains you not to eat so much. And we know that calorie deficit is what causes weight loss. So it helps you to achieve a deficit in your calories, and once that happens, you automatically start to lose weight. But if you don't want to use your corset for weight loss, take it off when you have to eat to your satisfaction. When you're done and your food is settled, put back your corset back on. The objective is to train your waist and make your waist smaller. The objective is not to make you lose weight. So if you don't want it to make you lose weight, don't wear it when you have to eat. But if you want it to make you lose weight, put it on before you even decide that you are ready to eat. Put it on long before.